In today's video, I'll be unboxing the new Casioak Moon watch. This is the G-Shock Metal Moon GM2100MG-1A Casioak. Unboxing this watch, the packaging gives you a sneak peek into the design language with a black and gold theme on this one. Straight away, you can tell this model is quite unique, with the texture of the dial and bezel instantly standing out for me. The bezel is heavily inspired by the surface of the moon, which you can see here is super detailed and it contrasts really well with the otherwise polished case. On the dial, there seems to be a continuation of this moon surface texture. This time, it's a gold texture over the black dial. The face may seem a little busy at first because of this texture, but the shiny hour markers and the white colored hands ensure you can read the time well enough. Of course, like all Casioak models, the dial includes a small LED display, which houses the second counter and the day and date. This feature is super handy and is definitely appreciated in all these models. Black and gold watches are synonymous with that bling factor, and I think it works well with the moon theme. The simple black resin band allows the gold case to pop, and overall, this watch is going to have some serious wrist presence. But it's not just bling. Remember, this is still a G-Shock. So it is shock and water resistant up to 200 meters. Dimensions are 45mm across the case and 48.5mm lug to lug. On the wrist, these metal Casioaks are very comfortable. The resin band is flexible, and overall the watch is fairly light for a metal watch at just 78 grams. The Casioak model has proven itself to be a huge winner, with countless models released so far. And personally, I think this is one of the nicest of the bunch. It is unique, pretty flashy, but also not over the top. I think it would work really well as a weekend watch, something to break up the monotony of the usual watch collection. If you think you'd wear this watch, you can check it out online at watchdepot.com.au by clicking the link in the description.